The third of the series of exercises where you have your feet in a V shape is called walking on ice. It's a very interesting name because you see I take a short step forward. You don't take long steps on ice or you slip. And there are a lot of things that are happening as I take that short step. To make it easy to understand, we put it in 3 steps. The first step is where I twist my torso. In doing so, I make sure that the direction of my toes, you remember they're in a V, so that toe is pointing in the same direction as where my knee is now pointing, where my torso, chest is pointing, and where my vision is focused. So I keep my eyes open at eye level, and I have my entire body aligned on one of the 2 sides of the V. The second step is where I take that short step forward. And the third step is where I inhale, and having completed the inhalation deeply, now I exhale with a HOOONG sound. And as I finish exhaling, I finish with a ha, which is a sound that's good for the heart, and it's also a way of doing away with whatever little air is left in the lungs. Energetically speaking, this exercise is extremely good for the back and the kidneys, and it's taking your energy passage around you, around your the guardian. I haven't talked about those meridians in this context, so anyhow it helps you build immunity as well. Now what's happening by way of visualization is that you are sustaining the energy in the battery, and then as you're exhaling, since you're pushing your abdomen in, you're also imagining your energy going in. It goes in towards your kidneys and from there up and down the spine. But the passage of the energy could be around the circumference of your torso or through. That's an individual choice. It's nice to take it around because that helps develop more guardian chi. And as you inhale and you come back to here, to the original position, you bring the energy back from the kidneys into the battery. All along, you have your right palm over your left palm. I'm sure you've observed that. They're facing inwards. They are set there, sustaining the energy in the battery. And it's 1 in breath, 1 out breath on each side, walking on ice, making short steps, and visualizing this energy moving back and forth in that area around the second and third energy centers. It's an extremely powerful exercise for strengthening oneself right from the center of your energy center, your center of gravity, the center of the body. This is walking on ice. 9 repetitions is what I've just completed. As